Welcome to this video. My name is Eugene Kim and we'll be talking about solutions today. You may be asking, what are solutions? Well, they are homogeneous mixtures, and homogeneous mixtures are mixtures where all components in a liquid are evenly broken down. One example is coffee, and as you can see in the diagram, everything is evenly distributed. What are solutes and solvents? Solutes are substances that dissolve in a solvent. They are the smaller portion in a solution, and the solvents are the opposite, and they're the larger quantity in the solution. For example, you could see salt and water. Salt is the solute and water is the solvent, and they form salt water. What are aqueous solutions? Well, they are solutions in which water is the solvent. What are electrolytes? Electrolytes are solutions that contain ions, and Gatorade is a famous brand that is known to include electrolytes in its drinks. There are different types of electrolytes, the first one being the strong electrolytes, and they completely ionize in solutions. They are strong acids, soluble ionic compounds, and strong bases. The second type of electrolytes are weak electrolytes, and they partially ionize in solutions. They are weak acids and weak bases. The third type are non-electrolytes. They do not ionize in solutions. They are molecular, and an example is glucose. Concentration is the amount of solute in a solution. A relative amount of solute and solvent in a solution is also a definition. And a concentrated solution has more solute than a dilute solution, and a dilute solution has more solvent in the solution. What is molarity? Molarity is the quantitative description of concentration, and it equals moles of solute over liters of solution. Now folks, let's move on to real-life applications to solutions. The first example is antifreeze. Antifreeze is something that stops a car's radiator from freezing under cold temperatures. It is a mixture of water and ethylene glycol. The second example is disinfectants. A lot of disinfectants are solutions in which ethanol and water are mixed together. On a side note, be sure to always keep your hands clean, especially during the pandemic. The third example is salt water. In the ocean, salt water is naturally formed, and the majority of marine animals can only live in salt water, not fresh water. So that means salt water allowed Marlin to find Nemo. Sorry for the bad joke over there. The most important example is air, because without air, humans are not able to survive. So therefore, without the solutions, humans are not able to survive. Thank you for attending today's lesson.